Don't you hate it when it happens to your car?
Or when someone smashes their door into your
Which happened.
car. Luckily, we are Signature PPF, and this car is already wrapped with delicious Stealth PPF. The grand reveal, huge scratch, pin sharp paint. But we're not here to talk about damaged film today, because we have some very exciting plans for this Tesla. Today is the global launch of XPEL's Colour Paint Protection Film, and we are going to be the first installers in the UK to apply it. And oh boy, are we going to give this Tesla Model 3 Performance a makeover. So we're here at XPEL's headquarters in the UK to take a first look at all of the colours. Let's go. We've got the swatches, but look at the rolls.
Got Monza red, molten orange, and we've got the on-brand XPEL yellow. Film beige satin, so it's actually a satin finish. It's not gloss, which is really nice. That one is called XPEL Battle Green. This is moss green. Got the South Beach blue. That's a really nice colour, really glossy, flat. So yeah, no orange peel. That's a good thing about this film. What else you got? Got to learn all these names. Where's this one gone? What's this one called? Right, Satin Abyss blue. That's nice because that's in between a purple and a blue, and it's satin, so it gives it that nice sheen effect. That is lovely. Ultra plum.
You can't see it on camera.
It's quite dark. It's quite dark in places. Then you've got those real nice purple hues. It's almost like I was going to say like a furry colour, but I can't say it. Satin black, very popular. If you want a car that's satin black, but you want a protection, stain jet protection, self-healing, all the XPEL goodies. Then
But we have that already.
But we do. Yeah, we have.
We do.
We can't
So
go
we need to change
We can't
it.
go satin black to satin black. This is really nice. That's actually high up there on the list. So probably top
satin.
3. Yeah, another satin colour. But I do want to go gloss, so. XPEL grey black. XPEL pearl white, that's lovely, really pearly.
Yeah, it's got beautiful flecks in it.
Yeah,
you can't
very
quite
nice.
see on camera.
This is XPEL Heritage Grey. Another colour which is high up on the list.
Do you want my opinion?
Yeah, go on.
I think it's time to take one of these rolls back to the studio and get this car changed up real good. But what one will it be? What colour have we gone for? Ready for the grand reveal?